We want to bring you some more from my exclusive interview with Alphabet CEO Sundar Pichai. We also spoke about YouTube, which accounted for over 11% of the company's total revenue last year. This past quarter, the company did miss the street's estimates as TikTok continues to dominate the short-form video space. So I asked Pichai how big of a threat TikTok is.
To me, YouTube. People forget that YouTube was short-form video, right? I think the users constantly evolve to newer places. I think there is real excitement around what is today called short-form video, and it's to me what's exciting is it's a big area in which we are seeing the shift in the platform. The creators are responding and users are adopting it. And so we definitely see strong growth. YouTube through the pandemic has turned out to be a more important platform than we ever imagined. And, we see healthy indicators on the platform. So again, we have to respond to what users are asking for. And, we are trying to give them the best experience. And so we feel challenged to do better. That's how I would think about it.
Is TikTok a threat then? Do you think of it in those terms?
I think there's always going to be, now having been on the internet for over 2 decades, you're constantly going to have new services come and people will use that. Things like Snapchat, all of this didn't exist a few years ago, right? And it shows the power of mobile as a platform, how much opportunity there is for innovation and creating new things, which shows how competitive and vibrant the underlying sector is. And so for me, this is all more evidence of that. And, as companies, we always have to be nimble and we have to adapt. And that's how it feels every Monday when I come into work.
The TikTok piece of it is different in that it's owned by a Chinese company. I lived in China for a number of years. I couldn't access Google. I'd have to log on to my VPN even to get my Gmail. Is there a double standard, though? TikTok has grown completely unfettered here in the United States. It is so popular now. Do lawmakers here have your back, have American companies' backs in letting Chinese companies grow so large here while our companies are banned over there?
Look, I would go back to my earlier point. I think part of the reason I think it's really important Congress, tackles and all the industry has to play a role and be constructive and supportive too on privacy and children's safety. I think the more we have, clear rules and frameworks which applies to everyone, I think that's how we can make progress on topics like this.
Do you think, though, lawmakers should be harder on China, just given that clear sort of distinction, that bifurcation that we see between the two countries, the standards that our companies are held to versus theirs?
The way I think about it is, look, we have a open internet, and as a company, we've strongly believed in an open internet, and I think that foundation is important. So I think, the U.S. should work to maximize an open, interconnected internet, and as part of that, and making sure people as users are protected, and I think those are the two main responsibilities in terms of at least how I would think about approaching it.